Hello and welcome to another episode of Cooking with Caio. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a warm spinach salad. Now I'm typically not as much of a salad guy, but I really like salad because it plays with the soft, the crunchy, the warm, and the cold. And so it's a really good salad. So I'm going to quickly go over my ingredients, then we'll get to cooking. So I have salt, pepper, oregano, 2 yellow peppers, a box of baby tomatoes, 4 shallots, olive oil, vinegar, and a large salad bowl with 200 grams of spinach in it. So the first step is to make the dressing. So to make the dressing, I'm going to get a bowl and a tablespoon. I'm just going to start mixing. So first I'm going to get a tablespoon of vinegar, a tablespoon of olive oil, and 2.5 tablespoons of Dijon mustard. And then I'm going to put in a pinch of oregano. So now, all I have to do is mix it. Now that I'm done my dressing, I'm gonna move it aside and start to cut my vegetables. So I'm gonna get my 2 yellow peppers and cut them in slices. And I'm gonna do the same with my 4 shallots. So let's get to cutting. So I've cut my peppers and shallots. You want the peppers to be like this size. This is a perfect one. And the shallots like this. So now I'm gonna put a little bit of oil on my baking sheet. And I'm going to spread it with my little oil brush. So now I'm going to get my shallots and I'm just going to spread them along the sheet. And then I'm going to spread my peppers across the sheet on top of the onions. I mean shallots, sorry. And now I'm going to put my oregano on top. I'm going to put a couple of tablespoons. You don't want to be shy on this. It's pretty good. And now I'm just going to put them in my oven to broil on high. Broil, high, and start. And then in 10 minutes, they're going to be ready, and I'm going to mix them up in my salad. So now that my veggies have boiled for 10 minutes, I'm going to put them in with my spinach. Then I'm going to add in my baby tomatoes. My dressing. And now I'm just gonna mix it. And now that I'm done mixing my salad, that concludes the video. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. If so, please like and subscribe. And if you have any new recipes you'd like me to try, leave them down below in the comment section. So see you next time. Cook with Caio.